DeepSeek just humiliated GPT-5 with a surprise release of its new V3.1 model, 685 billion parameters, a massive 128K context window, and costs that make GPT-5 look overpriced. This open-source AI has officially changed the game. DeepSeek didn't hold flashy press events, didn't make hype videos, and didn't tease the world with leaks. Instead, it quietly dropped its new DeepSeek V3.1 on Hugging Face, instantly setting the AI world on fire. Why was this release so disruptive? Because DeepSeek V3.1 wasn't just another incremental update, it was a frontier-scale open-source model that directly challenged closed systems like OpenAI's GPT-5 and Anthropic's Claude Opus 4, and in many cases it outperformed them. Unlike GPT-5's premium pricing and restricted API access, DeepSeek launched its model with transparency, benchmarking results, and a cost efficiency that stunned researchers and developers. Let's talk specs, because numbers tell the story here. Parameters: DeepSeek V3.1 runs on 685 billion parameters. That's not just a big number. It places DeepSeek directly in the league of GPT-5 and Claude Opus 4. Context window: a staggering 128,000 tokens. That means it can handle massive documents, full code bases, or entire books in a single prompt without losing track. For comparison, GPT-4o maxed out at 128K only in enterprise plans, while GPT-5 offers 200K at a premium. DeepSeek is giving this power openly. Efficiency: benchmarks showed that DeepSeek wasn't just large, it was optimized. It delivered faster inference speeds and maintained accuracy without burning through compute budgets. This wasn't just a big model flex, it was a balanced design where size, efficiency, and usability all aligned. One of the biggest innovations in DeepSeek V3.1 is the introduction of hidden tokens for reasoning. Think of these as invisible steps the AI takes internally, like scratch paper in math. Instead of showing its entire chain of thought, DeepSeek keeps part of the reasoning hidden inside the model, allowing it to perform multi-step logic, structured problem-solving, and real-time adjustments without confusing users with long raw outputs. This design helps the model handle complex coding tasks where multiple steps need to run logically, scientific reasoning where hidden tokens simulate iterative calculations, real-time search where the AI can retrieve, process, and filter information while maintaining a natural conversation. This concept mirrors how Anthropic's Claude Opus 4 used constitutional AI and OpenAI used chain of thought internally, but DeepSeek made it explicit in its architecture and proved it could scale. Let's talk about performance. Independent benchmarks confirmed that DeepSeek V3.1 outperformed Claude Opus 4 in critical areas like logic, code generation, and problem solving. Even against GPT-5, which had the advantage of proprietary training, DeepSeek held its ground. Coding tasks: DeepSeek solved real-world programming challenges more efficiently, with fewer errors and often in less time. Mathematical reasoning: it matched or exceeded GPT-5 in structured reasoning, showing that its hidden token system works. Knowledge retrieval: with its extended context, DeepSeek could reference more information in one go, making it powerful for researchers, analysts, and developers. Efficiency benchmarks: the most shocking result? A task that cost $70 on GPT-5 could be completed for just $1 on DeepSeek. That's a 68x cost reduction. For businesses, startups, and developers, this difference is game-changing. We can talk about benchmarks all day, but the truth is, AI adoption scales with cost. When companies consider rolling out AI systems across thousands of users, a model that costs 68 times less for the same tasks is not just attractive, it's irresistible. Imagine automating customer support with DeepSeek instead of GPT-5, running AI-powered coding assistants for entire dev teams at a fraction of the cost, deploying research assistants for universities or labs in countries where budgets are tight. DeepSeek's open-source nature means anyone can build on it, fine-tune it, and deploy it. This democratization of AI is what truly makes GPT-5 look overpriced and restrictive. DeepSeek's rise isn't happening in isolation. It's part of a larger trend out of China to dominate the open-source AI frontier. China recognizes that while companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google guard their frontier models behind paywalls, the global community craves open, transparent alternatives. By pushing models like DeepSeek V3.1, China positions itself as the leader of AI accessibility. This strategy wins global goodwill from developers and researchers, encourages innovation in smaller companies that can't afford closed systems, builds soft power by making China the backbone of OpenAI. In short, it's not just a technical win, it's a geopolitical strategy. The release of DeepSeek V3.1 sends shockwaves through the entire AI ecosystem. For OpenAI, GPT-5 was supposed to cement its dominance. Instead, it's being outshined by an open-source challenger that offers similar or better performance at a fraction of the cost. For Anthropic, Claude Opus 4 now looks overpriced and underpowered in comparison. DeepSeek proved that frontier-level reasoning doesn't have to come with premium API costs. For Google, Meta, and others, the open-source movement isn't just catching up, it's leaping ahead. Meta has already gone open source with the Llama, but DeepSeek showed that even closed giants can be outpaced. And for developers and businesses worldwide, this is a signal that the age of AI monopolies is ending. The future will be hybrid, with open and closed systems competing side by side. DeepSeek V3.1 is a milestone, but it's also a starting point. Future versions could expand beyond 128K context to match or exceed GPT-5's 200K. Introduce multimodal capabilities, images, video, and real-time speech. Scale even further while remaining cost-efficient. Build ecosystems of fine-tuned models for healthcare, education, and enterprise. If DeepSeek keeps this trajectory, it won't just be an alternative. It could become the default choice for global AI development. DeepSeek V3.1 isn't just another model release. It's a proof point that open-source AI can rival and even surpass the most expensive closed systems in the world. With 685 billion parameters, 128K context, hidden reasoning tokens, shocking benchmark wins, and a 68x cost advantage, DeepSeek didn't just humiliate GPT-5, it redefined what's possible in AI. The real question isn't whether DeepSeek can compete, it's whether the closed giants can keep up.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.